Please
Sorry
guys,
guys for not
support my
uploading
channel and
because I
keep
had
subscribing to
school
my
do so.
channel.
Mr. Vlogger, and today I'm sorry guys that I'm just gonna remind you guys that I haven't uploaded a single video yet because I have a lot to do and going to school. So sorry guys for not uploading and not active for you guys. So guys, please always support me. If I don't upload, please still support me guys, because I always upload in my videos. Not actually always, but sometimes. But in my description I said I will upload daily videos, but I have school guys. If I don't have any schools, yeah, I will upload daily videos. So yeah, this is just reminder.